Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Litmatch app, your device has been banned. So if you're seeing the your device has been banned message on the Litmatch application and need to fix it, here are some easy steps that you can follow to resolve the issue. So first step is you can try restarting your device. So sometimes simply restarting your device can help clear any temporary errors or conflicts that might be causing the ban message. So you just have to tap on the restart to restart your device. Now, step number 2 is you can also check for the terms of service or check their terms and condition of the Litmatch application. So you just have to go to your um, Safari or Google, and just type in here the Litmatch terms of service and condition to understand the reason why your device might have been banned. Like, for example, abusive behavior, spamming, or violations of community guidelines. So you just have to make sure that you didn't unintentionally violate any rules, as this can help prevent future bans. So you just have to tap on this official website, and from here you can see a list of their terms of service and everything that you have to know. Now, method number 3 is to contact the Litmatch support. So just go to your Litmatch application, tap on your profile, and tap on that setting icon at the top, and just look for the help center. It's there. Tap on that. And tap on report my problems. Tap on report my problems at the bottom. And tap on others. And from here, you can submit evidence of screenshot, relevant screen recording, and just have to describe your problem. And once you're done with that, you can simply submit. But before that, you have to put your email so that they can send you details about your account. Then, if that doesn't work, then you can try using a different account. You can sign out and then use another account, or you can also make another account, if that makes sense. And you can also clear cache here and then try swiping this out right like that. And if still it doesn't work, then you have to uninstall your application and reinstall after. So you just have to delete the application, because sometimes it can help fix issues including bans, but also refresh your device's connection to apps or service rather. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!